Glycopyrrolate, also known as Robinul 1 mg tablet, is used in combination with other medications to treat a specific type of stomach or intestinal ulcer, known as peptic ulcer. This medication can help to alleviate stomach and abdominal pain. However, it has not been proven to be effective in healing ulcers, preventing their recurrence, or preventing other issues associated with ulcers. Glycopyrrolate works by reducing the amount of acid in the stomach, slowing down the natural movements of the gut, and relaxing the muscles in the stomach and intestines. It falls under the category of drugs called anticholinergics. The recommended dosage and the best time to take this medication should be determined by a healthcare professional. When taking Robinul 1 mg tablet glycopyrrolate, it's important to follow your doctor's instructions. Typically, the medication is taken by mouth 2 to 3 times a day. The dosage will be determined based on your medical condition and how you respond to the treatment. It's crucial not to increase your dose or take the medication more frequently without your doctor's approval. Doing so won't make your condition improve any faster and can actually increase the risk of serious side effects. If your condition persists or worsens, make sure to inform your doctor. They can help adjust your treatment plan accordingly. If you experience drowsiness, dizziness, weakness, blurred vision, dry eyes, dry mouth, or constipation, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist. To combat dry mouth, you can try sucking on sugarless hard candy or ice chips, chewing sugarless gum, drinking water, or using a saliva substitute. For dry eyes, ask your pharmacist about artificial tears or other eye lubricants. To prevent constipation, make sure to eat enough dietary fiber, drink plenty of water, and get regular exercise. You may also need to take a laxative, so be sure to ask your pharmacist which type is right for you. Remember, your doctor has prescribed this medication because they believe the benefits outweigh the potential risks. While many people do not experience serious side effects, it's important to tell your doctor if you notice symptoms like stomach bloating or pain, vomiting, diarrhea, decreased sweating, dry/hot/flushed skin, fast/irregular heartbeat, or changes in mental/mood. Seek medical help immediately if you experience eye pain/swelling/redness, vision changes, or signs of a serious allergic reaction such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. Before taking Robinul 1 mg tablet glycopyrrolate, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues. Before using this medication, it's important to share your medical history with your doctor or pharmacist, especially if you have a history of glaucoma, urinary problems, stomach or intestinal issues, myasthenia gravis, or kidney problems. Be aware that this medication may cause dizziness, drowsiness, or blurred vision. It can also be intensified by the use of alcohol or marijuana. It's important to avoid activities that require alertness or clear vision until you know how this medication affects you. Robinul 1 mg tablet glycopyrrolate may also make you sweat less, increasing your risk of heat stroke. It's best to avoid overheating, especially in hot weather, and to drink plenty of fluids. If you experience symptoms of overheating, seek a cool place and rest. If you have a fever that doesn't go away, or experience mental/mood changes, headache, or dizziness, seek medical help immediately. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of this medication, so it's important to be cautious when using it. If you are pregnant, only use this medication if it is clearly needed and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is unknown if this medication passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before breastfeeding. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions with Robinul 1 mg tablet glycopyrrolate. This medication may interact with potassium tablets/capsules and drugs affected by slowed gut movement, such as pramlintide. It's also important to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you are taking other products that cause drowsiness, including alcohol, marijuana, antihistamines, drugs for sleep or anxiety, muscle relaxants, and opioid pain relievers. Be sure to check the labels on all your medicines, as they may contain ingredients that cause drowsiness or a fast heartbeat. Additionally, this medication may interfere with certain lab tests, so it's important to inform lab personnel and all your doctors that you are using this drug. If you or someone else has taken too much Robinul 1 mg tablet glycopyrrolate and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call 911 or reach out to your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents should contact their provincial poison control center. Symptoms of overdose may include hot and dry skin, fever, severe dizziness, changes in mental and mood, fast or irregular heartbeat, muscle weakness, and seizures. It's important not to share Robinul 1 mg tablet glycopyrrolate with others. You may need to undergo lab and/or medical tests, such as stomach/intestinal exams, while taking this medication. Be sure to keep all medical and lab appointments. If you happen to forget to take a dose of Robinul 1 mg tablet glycopyrrolate, just take it as soon as you remember. However, if it's almost time for your next scheduled dose, it's better to just skip the missed dose and continue with your regular dosing schedule. It's important not to take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to store Robinul 1 mg tablet glycopyrrolate at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Be sure to keep it in a safe place, away from children and pets. When you no longer need the medication or it has expired, it's important to properly discard it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. It's also important not to flush the medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.